Welcome to E-News this week on our junior school campus, and it's Science Week, and I have two wonderful scientists with me today, Aryan and Ava, who've both had significant experiences. Ava, you've made this amazing poster. Tell me about it.
So we just made up this little poster we could because I wanted to try, because I never got to try and I wanted to give it a go. And I was fascinated about these creatures.
Yes, what is this creature here?
This is a tardigrade. It's a microscopic creature that can survive in extreme heat.
Survive in extreme heat, extreme cold, and you designed all the various information here.
Yes, except for that bit because it was supposed to be at the back.
Okay, well let's not worry about that. I think this is for the Oliphant Science Award.
Yes.
Good luck. Aryan, you had a visit to Monarto Zoo. Mm-hmm. Tell me about your visit to the zoo.
Well, it wasn't kind of a zoo, so we went to this farm where we got to see birds and hold them. We saw the nets where they capture the birds and put the tag on them so they can count how much there are left in the wild.
Magnificent. And do you think working with animals is something you might want to do in the future?
Very much.
Beautiful. It's an honour this week to have with us a lady who is an old collegian, Autumn Rowan, who is here from Oxford University visiting her son, who's speaking to our Year 2s about stem cell medical research as we speak. Guys, it's wonderful to see what progress you're making. All the best for Science Week. It's going great, guys.